Holiday sweets don't have to be unhealthy. Treat yourself to a goodie that's delicious and nutritious. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you how to get into the spirit of the season with my mouth-watering, no-bake cinnamon pear bites. Pears are sweet, seasonal, and provide a huge boost in your daily fiber. So to get started, we're going to drop half of a fresh Bartlett pear into the food processor. Follow it with a cup of heart-healthy pitted dates, another cup of nutrient-rich cashews, a fourth cup of quick oats, and a fourth cup of vanilla whey protein powder. Then add 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and a tablespoon of almond butter. Both cinnamon and ginger are filled with holiday flavors, as well as antioxidants, which help protect the body cells. Once your ingredients are in the blender, we're ready to move to the next step. Process the food for about 2 to 3 minutes, adding a teaspoon of water to help the batter mix. After your ingredients are combined, roll the mixture into bites and place them on a baking sheet or glass container. Then you can move them to the fridge and wait for the batter to set before you break them out for your guests or yourself to enjoy. For more Hy-Vee Healthy You recipes, head to Hy-Vee's YouTube channel. And remember, you can always connect virtually with your Hy-Vee dietitian at hy-vee.com/health.